Hi Peter, what's up? Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Finally, I got the box today, and it's so funny because in the morning I've sent an email to you because I didn't receive my package because I had ordered it 3 weeks back, and I checked also in the internet through UPS, and that box was somewhere in the United States, but I didn't receive it. That's why I sent an email to you. Sorry for that. And finally in the morning I came to the office and the package is here. Thank you. And now we will make an unboxing of Peter McKinnon's James Coffee.
Please stay right by my side. You got me warm.
What's up everybody, this is Peter McKinnon. No, it's me, Lothar. Thank you very much, Peter. The hat is awesome. And the pin is this one. I ordered also. Lovely. So back to the office. Hi Peter. Come back to this beautiful cap. I mean, first of all, I need to say it fits very good. So it is not a review about your cap. It is just I'm very happy because I love caps. I used to have this kind of caps and a different type of caps like the new area. I don't know, it's a traditional baseball cap, and I get this one. This one is more like a tracker cap, but it feels nice. I'm really happy. It fits well. I don't know if you guys in Canada or in the United States have bigger hats, because I think I'm in the hole number 1, 2, 3, 4, and I thought I have a big hat. But it's okay. So it's really nice. I hope I look a little bit more handsome. Not as you, Peter. There's no chance. But yeah, I recommend this cap. By the way, nobody pays me, especially not Peter. I just ordered this because I have fun to watch Peter McKinnon videos, and I like coffee also. But I don't bought the hat to copy Peter McKinnon. I think everybody has to go to make videos on their own way, their own character. For me it's still quite tough because I'm starting to make videos about 2-3 months ago. I make some good videos, I'm not happy, but it's a learning curve. But I just want to say thank you again, Peter. I know it's not your mistake. It needs almost 3 weeks to get that cap, but maybe from San Diego and the custom in US they made some problems. Anyway, really appreciate it. And look at this tiny little pin, which I really is that cool? Thanks. Take care. Bye bye.
Please.